Taking a drive from Waterloo Road to Upper Waterloo Road in this video. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. So right now on our left we're passing by the Salvation Army. On our right is Devon House, and on our left right now is the Nigerian High Commission. So as always, we will try our best to highlight all the major offices, buildings and so on. So do relax and enjoy the ride. Passing by the German embassy on our right. Of course, this embassy is responsible for processing visa application for Italy, Germany, Estonia, Finland, and Iceland. Terra Hotel on our left. And now we're on Upper Waterloo Road. Turning into Mega Mart right now. So this is somewhat similar to Costco in the United States. They have a wide variety of items here. They have groceries, household items, electronics, you name it. Mega Mart is a place to consider if you would like to go shopping and you're pressed for time. So if you would like to see what Mega Mart looks like on the inside, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will consider doing it if there's a large demand for such a video. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comment section below. Old Church Road on our right. Napoleon Place on our left. Interesting name, isn't it? Here we are in the Waterloo area and we're talking about Napoleon. I know the history buffs among us will actually get what I'm getting at. Drumlier Court on our right. Fontana on our right, Fontana Pharmacy. But of course we know that it's more than a pharmacy, isn't it? There are other stores over there, Starbucks, Wendy's, of course ATMs, so many other stores are over there. But that's for another time. On our left right now is the Canadian High Commission. Going across the West Kings House Road. Now let's have a quick look at Devon House. And we're going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video of Waterloo and Upper Waterloo Road. If you have any requests, please send us an email at jamaicaninsider@gmail.com to make your request. You may see this email also in the description of this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day and leave us a like if you've enjoyed this video. Share with a friend or two as well. Until next time, take care.